Hi, I'm Julie Winter Paez with RE/MAX Property Pros up in beautiful northern Wisconsin. It is Saturday, the 23rd of January. We just had our big launch into 2016 office-wide last night, and Judy and I did a lot of research on what all the economists as well as the leaders in real estate are expecting in 2016. And we were able to give some great information to our agents, and I wanted to just take a minute to share that information with you. This is kind of the bullet points that we wanted our agents to know about in preparation of the new year, and we think that they will have an effect on you, whether you're selling or buying, but they might affect how you approach the real estate market in 2016. Okay, this is what we're reading and what all of the economists are telling us. Millennials are going to continue to purchase, but they will still have a lot of educational debt, so they will have a harder time financing as well as less money to put down on a loan. Still recovering financially are the Gen Xers and the second generation boomers. So again, cautious entering into the real estate market. Builders are going to focus on more affordable price points, probably smaller homes, less square footage, not as big in size, maybe a little bit more green and efficient for future costs. So keeping those costs down long term on affordability to live in the home. Higher mortgage rates are going to spur more existing homeowners to sell and buy before rates go any higher. Increased mortgage rates may affect higher end sales, and that's, again, up here we're unique in northern Wisconsin, but that higher end market has continued to stagnate on us. So we're hoping that as mortgage rates slowly increase, we're going to get some people to come off the fence, and hopefully we'll see a rise in that higher end market in northern Wisconsin. Vilas County especially, we've had a hard time. Anything over 500,000, at least in 2015 we did. Renters may come into the market due to higher rents. What we're seeing in my marketplace is people willing to pay $8, $9, $1,000 a month in rent because they can't afford to get a loan. As people have come out of the last hardships of the economy the last couple of years, as they've gotten their credit ratings up, as they've saved a little bit money down, they're going to start to find now that maybe buying that first home or getting back into the housing market is going to be much more affordable for them than continuing to rent at $900 or $1,000 a month. So a lot of the economists are thinking that renters are going to choose purchasing over continuing to rent. First-time buyers coming back into the market. The picture and image of a first-time buyer is much different than it was 5 years ago. Much older, better jobs, longer job history, paying off some of those school debts, so a much different buyer than they were a decade ago. But again, they're thinking that first-time buyers are going to come back into the market. And areas with strong job growth are going to see more home sales. Again, I don't know if that affects us much in northern Wisconsin because we don't really see, huge job growth up here in our economy. We're hoping to see an increase in that same first-time home buyer, that first level of buyers, and then hopefully seeing some of our secondary and seasonal market kick in again this year better than last. They're also predicting, I think, 3.5% increase in home price. Again, we're a little more cautious and up here that we don't think we're going to see rises that large in our market. But again, that's kind of what they're predicting going into the new year. So hopefully this information gives you a little help. Again, it tells me as a seller, you really need to know the price point that you need to be in to sell for top dollar, and you need to know if you're in one of the markets up here in northern Wisconsin that's moving a little bit better than others, because that might affect how you strategically price your home when you go on the market. And if you're a buyer, it really means we want to make sure you're dialed in, you know what all of, you're pre-approved when you go out of the gate, and you know what all the pitfalls are depending on what type of loan you're trying to qualify for. We're having a lot of difficulty with some of the government loans right now because of some of the underwriters and the requirements. So if that's a loan that you're going to be going after or you're going to qualify for, we just really need to be prepared out of the gate when we're looking at the home that you're thinking of purchasing, knowing what the obstacles we might have as we go through the process are with that home. Not that we can't overcome them, we just have to know what they are so that we don't have unrealistic expectations in your home purchase. That's it for today. I've got some great stats and great reports I'm going to be sending out in the next couple weeks and reporting on. But again, just a little forecast for 2016, and please, as always, call me with any questions about your specific market segment, or if you're looking to buy or sell in northern Wisconsin, please give me a call. Again, Julie Winter Paez, RE/MAX Property Pros, 715-891-1236, or you can check out either of my websites, www.eagleriverhomefinder.com or www.juliesellswi.com. Thanks and have a great day.